Hi, it's Barbara from Make My Blog Better. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to install a caching plugin on your WordPress website. Cache Enabler is our favorite WordPress caching plugin. This is because it's very lightweight and works great with other optimizing plugins like Autoptimize. Go to your plugin settings and do a search for Cache Enabler. Click Install Now, then click Activate. After it's installed, head over to the plugin settings. Click Settings and select Cache Enabler. As you can see, there isn't a ton of complicated settings. This plugin is very lightweight and does a great job at caching your pages. Cache expiry. I normally keep this at 0. This means the caching doesn't have an expiry time. This is helpful for websites that have more static information. If a website is updated often, I might change this to 24 or 48. Cache behavior. I like to clear the cache when a new post, comment, or plugin has been updated. Cache exclusions. You can choose to exclude certain pages from getting cached. This is only needed for dynamic pages. This is mainly only a concern on e-commerce pages. Cache inclusions. Don't worry about these settings. This is for more advanced uses of cache attributes. Cache minification. I recommend you keep this disabled because there's a better plugin, Autoptimize, that will help with minifying your code. Click Save Changes and that's it. There isn't any more settings that you have to configure. Now all of your web pages will be cached and save as static HTML files on your server. This will dramatically help with load times on your website. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks, have a great day.